So everybody knows the rules of the school bus, right?
Sir.
Yes!
Sir, how come it's... How come...
We're going to Egypt. And we got a new student named FaZe Jarvis Lover. And the usual Uda, Isaac, and Rudy boys, and me, Philip. So
And even
we're going to...
JJ too?
No, I'm UDS, man.
Okay. And
No, I'm D4S. I'm D4S.
JJ wasn't able to make it.
Yeah, I'm D4S.
And okay, so yeah, we're going to Egypt, so let's go.
Without JJ.
Yeah, because JJ didn't want to come.
Wait, why are we going to Egypt?
Yeah.
Because why not?
Bro, last time I heard that you guys...
we should really get more head.
Just go!
Oh my gosh, who's screaming?
Oh, I think we got a flat
Get
tire.
out!
Guys, I think we got a flat tire.
Wait, what?
I think we got a flat
Sir.
tire.
Sir,
We landed it.
Oh my god.